All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we take a look at the ZEROLEMON 5,000 milliamp hour battery case for the iPhone 12. I'm actually recording this with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get this open. You tell me how the audio and video quality is, and we'll go from there. So like all fashions, this is how ZEROLEMON cases come to you. Appreciate ZEROLEMON sending this over a while back. And this is 5,000 milliamps. Now you can't really mess this up when it comes to putting this case on, because they actually give you the full instructions right here. There's no way to mess this up. So if you hit the button right there, you can see it's got 3 bars there. And probably as soon as I use this, it'll start to drop. But this is a soft touch, soft, flexible material on the top. You see you got your cutout right there for your vibrate mute switch, power button, volume rocker, nothing along the top, nothing along the top. This should match up perfectly with your phone. And you got the 2 speaker grills out right there. And you got your lightning port cable in right there. Now what they've done with the ZEROLEMON cases is that they've kind of made it into a drop protection case as well. This will pretty much double the size of your phone, so know that going into that. People who buy ZEROLEMON cases know what they're getting into. They know they're getting this for the power. Hey, my phone lasts a long time already. I need to get something that's going to last me for the weekend, or at least 24 to 48 hours. And that's where ZEROLEMON comes in. Now, there are plenty of options out there for battery cases, but ZEROLEMON always takes care of me with the cases, and that's why I support the brand. I've purchased ZEROLEMON cases in the past, and then eventually they start sending them to me. So you can see on the corners here, you've got this squared off look here on each corner. And let's try it on. Now again, putting it on here, let me clear out some notifications here. Putting it on is super simple. You just go down into the case like this, and then there, you see, as soon as I plug it up, it starts to get that first initial charge. Now, I do in fact have a tempered glass on here, and so this case friendly. So depending on if you put your tempered glass on correctly, you should see that the case will work with that. So how I would recommend using these ZEROLEMON cases, I used to put them on, you see, it already dropped one because it hasn't been charged and it's new in the box. So the way I would recommend you use this is to pretty much let your phone drop to about 50% and then turn the case on. And this is saying it was from 100. I would say go ahead and let that drop to 50%, and then you go ahead and charge the case up. Or whenever your phone gets to 100, turn the case off. You don't want to have this case continuously running. And this is over trial and error with myself. You don't want to have this case continuously running, just charging the phone until the battery dies. I've actually done that before, and the phone pretty much stayed kind of hot. So I don't recommend you do it like that, and I don't even think ZEROLEMON recommends you do it like that. But I used to just run it with the case continuously until the case died, and then ran my battery on my phone down. That actually weakens the battery of your phone as well. I would think it would. But here it is right here. This is how it looks from the front. You can see how it kind of squares it off. And since the iPhone 12 isn't a big phone, you know, this doesn't add too much as far as the width of the device. It's actually pretty good. And then as far as, and I'm testing out the buttons and everything too as we speak, you can see they're very good here. And the vibrate mute switch is not too far down in there, but it's good enough to where you can get to it. Now, obviously no wireless charging or pad or anything. It's probably gonna work with this, but you've got this big battery, so you don't even need a charger. So there it is, man. Real brief and to the point. The ZEROLEMON 5,000 milliamp hour battery case. I think you'll probably like this if you're into, and you probably already have it depending on when you have it here. So I actually do have another brand new one in the box. I will be giving this one away. So leave a comment down below if you have an iPhone 12 or a 12 Pro. It's compatible with the 12 and the 12 Pro, since these are both the same bodies. It's going to work with it. So they sent over an additional one and I appreciate them doing so. So this one is yours. I'll let this promo run for maybe a week or two and get enough comments in and get enough people with iPhone 12s that are actually going to use this. You can go ahead and pick this one up from me. I'll ship it to you. U.S. shipping only, folks, for now. I'm not going to ship this overseas or anything like that. The shipping would cost more than the case costs. So, yeah, and I'm doing this. ZEROLEMON didn't tell me to give this away, but I'm just going to give it away because why not? I don't need two of them. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.